Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the Gnome Pet in Grow a Garden. And basically what it does, it gives the gnomed mutation to your plants and bonus points if you have gnomes in your garden like the ones I have here at the front. There's more chance of your plants getting the gnomed mutation. Maybe I guess if you put it closer to the plant, it could give it more chance as well. But that is it. That is the new pet. It falls under the legendary category. So yeah, that is the gnome the gnome pet in Grow a Garden. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know in the comment section if you've gotten the gnome pet yet. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.